My Electrolux French Door Refrigerator gives me a lot more entertaining possibilities, with features like the Perfect Temp Drawer that offers a range of temperature settings, so I can store a variety of food at its ideal serving temperature. So everything is perfectly fresh. Tonight, I'm using the Just the Two of Us setting. Electrolux, be even more amazing.
For a limited time, complete your kitchen and receive up to $1,200 in rewards cards.
See the Electrolux Kitchen and Laundry Appliance Collection at A1 Appliance today.